Hi, I'm Boa, the head of product at Dollie, and in this video I will show you our Hub Access Groups. Hub Access Groups allow you to charge or control what your users can do inside your hub. Meaning if you would like to start selling services, you can do so very easily using the Hub Access Groups. These access groups can be tied to, for example, membership levels, purchasing of products in an e-commerce solution, or anything else you can think of. And if you're a developer, you'll be able to write your own custom integrations that would add or remove users to access groups with just a couple of lines of code. In this video, I will show you the basics, and then later you can look at our documentation or just start playing around with many of the amazing integrations we've developed and get familiar with all of the ins and outs. Looking at a group, you can immediately see, all right, this access group called Pro has the following users, and the users in that group can do the following things. You can also see which integrations that are currently set up by you are being utilized or integrated with this specific group. So you can see, for example, that Paid Memberships Pro, which is a memberships plugin, adds users to this group after they've purchased a specific membership level. So when someone is added to the membership level Pro in Paid Memberships Pro, they will be added automatically to the Access Group Pro in your hub. This concept applies to any integration or your custom code, and it's very easy to set this up directly inside your WordPress admin. Once they are added to a group, either manually by you or through an integration, you can then look at the access settings tied to the group to control what the user in your group can actually do inside your hub. So if someone is now added to the Pro group, they can launch one website and they have 10 gigabytes of dedicated space. This is enforced. So if user Mocha, which is my dog, launches their first site, there's no problem because they can launch one site. If they then try to launch a second site, they will be shown a notice saying your current plan only allows one website. Please upgrade or sign up for membership level Pro or Pro Plus to launch more sites. That's the basic idea. Now, you can also control what can Mocha actually do inside my hub once he is on the Pro plan. And for that, we can look at the additional features. For example, blueprints. If you have premium products or premium templates that you don't want to allow Mocha to use in the Pro group, you can say which blueprints that should be. It also goes the other way. You can say these specific blueprints are available only for Pro users. Then finally, inside your hub on the site dashboard where Mocha manages her site, you can control which areas of the site dashboard are available. So you can say, I don't want someone in the Pro group to be able to delete their site or use the developer tools. And you can have one access group that sets the basic settings that apply to all. Or what you can do is say, I want to upsell specific parts of the site dashboard to specific groups. So you could say, if someone purchases the membership upgrade Backups Pro, or it could be a WooCommerce product, or it could be custom code that's triggered after a certain action, then they get access to the backups. And these groups stack, so someone can be in multiple access groups, and each access group could allow access to a specific part of the dashboard. So you can upsell specific parts, or you can control it globally. And this is one of the more advanced use cases that, depending on how you want to build your platform, gives you a lot of opportunity to upsell specific features or trigger specific flows based on how you envision your platform to function. Now let's take a look how this is configured for the specific integrations. Let's start with WooCommerce. If we go to WooCommerce and we go to products and we look at our products, you will see that there are some example products here in this demo installation. If you take a look at the testing subscription product, and you can see there's a dedicated section here hub access settings for this group, and you can control what should happen if a user purchases this product. So in this configuration, we say if the user purchases the testing subscription product, then they will be added to the Access Group Pro. Now, if we look at our Access Group, you can see integration WooCommerce actually says user added to group on purchase of product testing subscription. So you can see it's both ways. You can see what's going on. It's very easy for you to see which integrations are interacting with this group. Same idea goes for Paid Memberships Pro, which is the membership plugin. If we go to memberships, we take a look at our membership levels, and we go to the Pro membership. You'll see that there's a box, a settings screen that says users who have purchased or signed up for this membership level are now added to the Access Group Pro. If the subscription or the membership is downgraded, or if the subscription expires, the integration will also take care of removing the users from those groups. And this is the basic fundamental idea behind all of our integrations. And it also gives you, as a developer, a super easy way to programmatically or through a setting screen add access control to the hub through any WordPress plugin or theme. So that is the idea. And once you have set this up, at any point, if you want to adjust what users can do, you can actually change the settings and they will apply to all the groups. Finally, if we look at individual users, you have the ability to override any of these access group settings on a per user basis. Meaning if you would like to have a specific user to be excluded from these restrictions, or you want to restrict them or expand them, you have an option to say override access settings for this user, and you can then control what they can do manually. And this is an additional level of control you can enable for specific features or users very easily. And that's done through the user edit screen. Now that's the basic tour of our product. It's the basic tour of how you can use the access groups. And we think this allows you to really monetize your platform with Dollie in a much more flexible and powerful way. And if you're a developer, take a look at our developer docs to write your own integrations. And if you're interested in a specific integration for your platform, let us know in the comments and we'll get right on it. See you in the next video. Have a good day and thank you for watching.